This video demonstrates Docker installation on Ubuntu Linux with root user privileges. The Docker installation steps on a new Ubuntu Linux machine, through Docker repository include updating the apt package index and install packages, to allow apt to access Docker repository over HTTPS. Getting Docker's official GPG key and adding it to host machine apt. Adding Docker's repository to host machine repository sources. Finally, update package index and install Docker engine. This is the fresh new Ubuntu Linux machine, and let us install Docker Community Edition. The command to update package index is apt-get update. This command gets the updated version of packages or their dependencies. It is better to run this command before installing anything new. The next command is apt-get install, apt-transport-https, CA certificates. These packages allow package managers to access repositories over HTTPS. CA certificates contains the certificate authorities, to allow SSL-based applications to check for the authenticity of SSL connections. Next, install the curl package. Curl is a command line tool for transferring data with URL syntax. The command is apt-get install curl. The command output says, curl is already the newest version. Note that, curl is included by default in this Ubuntu version. The next command is, apt-get install GNU PG agent. GNU Privacy Guard cryptographic agent is a tool for secure communication and data storage. It includes advanced key management and is compliant with OpenPGP Internet standards. Next, install Software Properties Common package. The command is apt-get install Software Properties Common. This package contains the common files for software properties including dbus backend. To get Docker's official GPG key, type curl-o, docker_gpg_key.txt, https://download.docker.com/linux/ubuntu/gpg. Now the GPG key is downloaded from Docker website, and stored locally in a text file named docker_gpg_key.txt. To add the Docker's GPG key to the apt tool, type apt-key add docker_gpg_key.txt. To verify this operation, type apt-key list. You will find the Docker's key in /etc/apt. Note that, apt-key is used to manage the list of keys, used by apt to authenticate packages. Packages which have been authenticated using these keys, will be considered trusted. Next, we need to add the Docker repository meant for this Ubuntu release. To know the name of this Ubuntu release, type lsb_release-cs. Focal is the name of this release. To add Docker repository meant for Focal, type add-apt-repository deb architecture equal to AMD64, https://download.docker.com/linux/ubuntu focal stable. Run apt-get update. To install Docker, type apt-get install docker-ce docker-ce-cli space container d.io. Now, the Docker software is installed. To test the installation, type docker run hello-world. The message "Hello from Docker" shows that your installation is successful. This is the summary of commands executed to install Docker on a new host machine. You may take down these commands for your reference. There is more to follow. Subscribe to this channel to get more updates.